This week in worship, we will join the entire Christian church in celebrating All Saints' Day. On the one hand, we'll consider especially those in our own congregation who have departed to dwell with Christ, and particularly that couple of dozen of them who've done so in the past year or so. And on the other hand, we'll celebrate all the saints who've departed to dwell with Christ, and maybe especially those who were martyrs, who suffered death for their belief in and proclamation of Jesus Christ. Of them, Jesus will say in our gospel lesson, "Blessed are you when you are poor and sad, when you are hated. Rejoice and leap for joy, because great is your reward in heaven." Isn't that a comfort? Sometimes it's really hard to be a Christian. People resent our message that they and we are sinners by nature heading to hell. People especially resent our message that they and we very desperately need Jesus. But friends, stick to that message. Stick to Jesus. Keep trusting in Him, because great is your reward in heaven. Think of how terrific heaven will be. No more sin, neither on our part nor on the part of others. No more sadness, no more separation, no more death. Instead, we'll have holiness, and with it, happiness and togetherness and blessedness. So stick to it. Stick to Jesus. Keep trusting in Him. And I guess that means we'll see you in church, and not only this weekend, but always.